Hey guys, I'm here with our first ever Factory 5 XTF kit. This kit has been on sale for about a year now. And just a little reminder, this is a completely different chassis with a long travel front and rear suspension. So we have about 16 inches travel in the front. It's an independent front suspension. And we have about 20 inches travel in the back. It's a 4-link. And that's retaining your 4-wheel drive. And just a reminder, that's the full kit. That also comes with the body panels as well, the lighting, all the bracketry to make it happen. So this has been on sale for about a year, and what we're looking to do is kind of bridge the gap between this kit and then a stock F-150. So right here we have a stock F-150, so you can kind of see the difference between the two. But what we're going to do is take this and use this to develop a brand new Stage 1 kit. So the Stage 1 kit is going to basically be a stepping stone between this and that. So what we're going to do is still the same body kit. That way, if you want to go from the Stage 1 to the Stage 2, you can reuse the body panels. But this will be like a mid-travel suspension. So with a little bit of lift, different control arms, different leaf springs in the back. We'll get you some more travel and a higher ride height, and still have the same aggressive look that you get out of the full XTF kit. So we're going to go into the shop now, and we're going to discuss kind of the actual technical details of how we're going to turn a stock F-150 into a Stage 1. All right guys, so now we're in the shop. We're going to go over some of the technical details of the parts we're going to be putting on the Stage 1 kit. So here is the part of the body kit. It's going to be standard fiberglass, but we're going to use the optional carbon fiber because why not? And coming around here, we have the actual kind of meat and potatoes of what we're putting into this kit. So you can see here, this is the stock front suspension from an F-150. Here you have the lower and here you have the upper. And then right here, this is our first set of kind of experimental arms we're going to be testing. So we have a new lower and a new upper. So as you can see, they're quite a bit longer to account for the wider body, and they're also just in generally a lot more substantial and kind of beefed up. And then we're also going to be doing different shocks up front. So this is the OEM shock. We're going to be reusing the springs and putting on Fox shocks, same as the rear. So right here we have a rear Fox shock that we're going to be using. And then right here is our longer travel leaf spring pack. So you can see it's a multi-leaf pack. It's a much softer rate, which is kind of more apt for a pre-runner or Stage 1 kind of kit. And then last but not least is a little bit more kind of difference in bodywork. So you can see here, the rear bumper is going to change a little bit. The main reason for that is because the cutaway on the fenders ends a lot higher. So this wraparound isn't going to work. So on that side, you can see we have it kind of cut away a little more aggressively, but it's going to still retain a lot of the factory parking sensors and options and still leave room for your trailer hitch. So basically, this is kind of a rough overview of what we're going to be putting on the Stage 1 kit. So we're going to take that truck in here and we're going to start pulling it apart and seeing what works and what doesn't. So stay tuned on how this all comes out, and just keep checking in with us and see when we put it on sale.